So welcome to Ghana Sim TV GH. I'm the voice, and please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Social media over the past days has been asking very important questions, especially after we've received the news of the demise of some Ghanaian children. About 15, 15 children with their whole future ahead of them have been lost painfully through a very gory road accident. Ashanti region. Now, after the accident, children-related issues there. Because of how important children are, the nation has dedicated a whole ministry taking care of children issues, children-related issues. Some ministry, gender protection and children affairs. Honorable Dr. Naa Momo, MP for Crow, minister. Sector minister, it was our ministry name. Now, some ministry created a cabinet level ministry. Now, go for the baby say, a banner saying, assembly say, bad news of this magnitude, SCA, and in Colano Suna, yes, or more to Omudie, they only went for a sorry program, and they went to sing. Now, me a singing band for, and I'm Mukoko Tunyum. Right? And the enyom to no omuwie yen say omo sound mechiko no ena omukoshia sa untimely death no na mobo ena hu so say sector minister of gender Naa Momo no ofe ne hu esi o PhD nti efe Dr. Naa Momo MP for Krowo no up till enne one be make statement bia publicly. Not a single statement from this minister. Obano, ideally, a woman there, she should know the pain of giving birth, the pain of raising a child. And we were expecting she should have been the first person. And Kabeba out, Abe condole with the bereaved, and even put in things to ensure the burial of those children was done with dignity. But till now, we are only seeing her on social media. Our trap pictures, those is analysts are share. And that is what this nation has been reduced to. Ministers of state who don't even know their job specifications, their job requirement. Ministers of state who do not think about the citizens. Ministers of state who are self-centered. And we are still, it's not too late. Any late here. And Naa Momo can still redeem herself if she wants. She can still redeem herself. And Ukraine, the children have been buried already, painfully so. And nothing can be said to bring them back. But that notwithstanding, no, it will save her own image to do the honorable thing. There are some sections of Ghanaians also, and I came across a news. Oh my God voice. And I said, oh my God, or OMG voice, Facebook. And in fact, some blog, they are calling for the resignation of the minister because say children, 15 Ghanaian children with a bright future ahead of them, lost painfully. She doesn't see necessary to even come out with a statement, public statement. Then what is she doing at the ministry for? Anka school feeding there. Anka school feeding contractor. Maybe we'll have heard from her. But this one, because it does not involve any money. Allegedly, where the Yemina maker. Last time I call Kaswa market and market for AYɛKa. Yemina maker and Ubian Pimbe arrested me Semina maker. I went to the market, Kaswa market, and the market women were discussing it. Say Anka school feeding is in same day. Anka by now, she has spoken. And because this one there, it is lives that are lost, their life there is not important to her. She should be ashamed. And the man who appointed her, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, too, should be ashamed for appointing such an insensitive minister in no other office than the Gender and Children Protection. It is for a good reason that the ministry is called Children Protection. We are still monitoring this development. I'll keep you updated. See you in the next one.
Planted to food be and a kufa do set to cocoa mutu near Chiamoka. The ne kufa do ye be ya. And nam said nada Ghana for the fruit pe. Mahama Ghana for react said to the Mahama Kwani ye sunny pada. Any pan or how much cocoa price or the mammo. None a kufa do buy cocoa, that's the big difference. Mankai. And them some mope be a dear county. Mon say Mahama was scammo. Mama scam me say this ya bind them Mrs. Scam akron phone. Na me tell me I don't blame them because Mahama na kind. Or say a drew campaigner, ye tran truck kakra, ne account the crack kakra. Mahama control where we trade the dogs you. Thank God for TikTok live. Because in them away in this a what the conquer what the tron abejo minor. And not in Yakupon H Yawakano. And not in Yakupo go any mass, you know. Boba ye munye she adia boba ye ni nipa mu kunkum wo mu obetie se okotwa weiti obetie se ka wo ye butu na endis for boy ye shame papa endis for mo the government no munim nyansa miss I'm sorry whatever I'm saying I have to say it mo hwese ene the drie yi ene wo no Ashanti region minister no no wadro ano sa kwa no ene se dun ketia shame government. And then now mammy for woman accident. Etimi kuni pa 17, 16. Se kenya a fierce was nigger. Any a say don't a friend say okay free fire. A come on, Johnny say. And quite come my Ghana home. And crank or but the kite a cast the great Joe Monkwa. Ye a Ghana government am also, or be it me a new column say. A poyako said condolence to the family. Womo to Jano. Let us say the bitch munyansa on. A fierce was nigger, and look at the chief fan or mom can count the ancient munyansa. And this for monimo guas and papa. Mon, you know what man. I double by Johnny Smubediska. Funyam. Mo say ye demo see abane so ye demo see mo fa power ya. And that say eso say mo power da. Eso mo ma wiase kula da. O say nyame atwa moka. Onyame apam ho ntama. Na me ka che ye nwan man pipi for say. Enkwanya endis for beji abane we nya kire say. Omo di enuro, omo di moja and beji oman no. 2028 no. Mesibo nyamo be ka unite hu. Na yem fighting. Na yen ji ye mensi ho. Yenim so my Ghana de MPP abind the bar. O my Ghana ti bi kon anim. MPP abind the bar. O my Ghana ye hu first na MPP abind wo. Se why nya akuma be kolank twa. Solar light system nya na nkura yi ye. Drum system ye nkwa na dom start ye. Ene mo hwe ndi si ba ye. Obetie sika butu, obetie si weyewu. Ene Ghana je say ensem ekoso enyan. Me ka me baga na come sister friend say it sister wo baga na jayo ni say bring beti ahwe mahama nema wo hie yenti mo hwe do man ne ko kakra me kan say wo ye MPP ne feel proud to be an MPP member ye me proud say ye MPP because 8 years and ne ko for ado ne ba wo mebedi so no sansem akukoyi sansem wo yantete bi no my Ghana e ko ne ni mu pa eti yenya adwene say 2028 we are going to fight like a warriors. Ye be fighting. Near your my Ghana so my people aba. Ama na mahama ni nkrofo ni nyina no. Omo kopon baby atena. Mahama kokope baby tena. Na wo kunku nkrofo madodo. Eti kukuru do me da ase.
All right, I'm a baby in patch. Yes, yeah, that's in your main shop. Waka ye, waka ye, pama. Me mama MP's radio. Me patch a do so na yanko. MP's radio.